Did you know tomatoes have two growth types, determinate or indeterminate? A quick Google search will tell you what kind it is. I wish it would be on the label. Determinate is short and bushy. It produces its fruit all at once, then dies. Indeterminate is more of a sprawling vine which produces less, but for longer period, it will need a cage or trellis. I prepare the Maxi Gro nutrient solution, then wash off the dirt around the base of the plant. It doesn't need to be perfect, be gentle. Pick off the lower branches gently. Then the pool noodle goes around it for support. It goes into the bucket with the roots 80% submerged. This is important because the plant has to make air roots or it'll drown. Pool noodles are made from EVA foam and non-toxic for this application. After all, kids play with it and some probably put it in their mouths. Here, the pool noodles do not even make contact with the liquid. There's studies that show plants don't absorb what it doesn't recognize. I'll get into that in another video. The stems are sticking straight out right now, but the plant will naturally start curving up to find sunlight. See, the stem's already curved upwards. In the beginning, check the buckets daily to make sure the roots are properly submerged. Sometimes a stiff breeze can jostle the plant and move the roots out of the water. If so, the plant might die within a few hours here in Hawaii. You're all seeing how thirsty the plant is.